Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial on how you can merge image into shape in Pixellab. Let's dive in. Go into shape. Okay, this is good. Just choose the image you want to use. Let's use this image. This is the first method. You can drag the image into the shape like this. Tap on the UI icon so that it will fit in. So as you can see, then go to this icon here, then tap on this, then click on both of them and tap on this icon here, then tap on OK. Then both of them has been made. As you can see, this is the first method on how to merge image into shape. So the second method, go to the shape. Where's the shape here? Shape. Okay, let's use here. This is the shape. So go to texture. Then import the image. Use this square on top at the top. Okay, click on the mark icon. As you can see, the image has been merged successfully. This is the second method on how to merge image into shape in Pixellab. Okay, so the third method, click on shape again. Where's the shape? Okay, let's use another shape. Okay, which one should we use? Let us use shape. Okay, so import the image you want to merge into it. Let's use this one, shape. Then drag it inside of it. Drag it here like this. This is the third method on how to merge image into shape. So click on the image that you import, then go to mask. There's a mask here. Enable it. Then tap on this icon here, the node. Drag it down at the bottom of the shape. Let me zoom it in so that you can see the process. Then use the mode to clean the part you don't want. And drag the mode and use this mode so that you will be able to let's just use this mode so that you can do that successfully. Drag this one on top here. Drag this one on top here. Yeah. Drag on this icon here to merge both of them together. As you can see, it has been merged together. So detail ways on how to merge image into shape on Pixellab. If you find this video helpful, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so once we upload a new video, you